Hey guys, this is Uday Jangit and you are watching Gyanology. So guys, I am back with another interesting video in which I am going to show you 15 Winky shortcuts that you aren't using. If you want to know which are the 15 shortcuts, you have to watch this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it right now and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. So let's start the video. Number 1. Virtual desktop. Sometimes what happens when you do multitasking on your PC, it gets very messy. So to avoid this problem, you can use virtual desktop on your PC. So for using virtual desktop on your PC, you have to press Win key plus Control plus D on your keyboard. After pressing them, you will get a new desktop, and in this new desktop, you can do anything you want. Number 2. Switch between desktop. Now you will be thinking that where is the desktop we were using before. So don't worry, I will show you how to get the desktop you were using before. So to get the desktop you were using before, press Win key plus Control plus left arrow key. So this is how you can get the desktop you were using before. Number 3. Remove desktop. Now think, your work is done on the second desktop and you want to remove it. Then how would you remove it? I will tell you. You have to press Win key, Control and F4 on the keyboard. This is how you can remove the second desktop after finishing the work. Number 4. Open Action Center. Guys, first of all I will tell you what is Action Center. When you go in this corner and click here on this icon, Action Center will be opened. This is called the Action Center. So to open this Action Center, I have a shortcut, and the shortcut is you have to press Win key plus A. After pressing Win key plus A, the Action Center will be opened. Number 5. Open File Explorer. Now to open File Explorer using shortcut, you have to press Win key plus E. After pressing Win key plus E, the File Explorer will be opened. Number 6. Open Settings. So guys, to open settings using shortcut key, you have to press Win key plus I. After pressing Win key plus I, the settings will be opened. Number 7. Open Connect. Guys, first of all I will tell you what is Connect. So when we come here in this corner, this option is called Connect. After clicking on it, it will open like this. So guys, to open Connect like this, you have to press Win key plus K. When you press Win key plus K, the Connect option will be opened. Number 8. Lock your PC. Guys, how do you lock your PC? After going in Start and from here selecting your profile and from here selecting the lock. Now no need to do like this. You can use this shortcut, Win key plus L. Using this shortcut, your PC will be locked. No need to go in the Start menu and then in your profile from the lock. Number 9. Minimize all windows. Guys, now think that you have opened many windows on your PC and you want to minimize them, but you don't have to minimize them one by one. You can minimize all of them at once by pressing Win key and M. When you press Win key plus M, all the windows will be minimized at once. Now guys, if you want to maximize these windows, you have to press Win key and the number considering these windows from 1 to 9. I want to open this one, so I will press number 2. Number 10. Command prompt. So guys, you don't have to open the command prompt using the search. You don't have to do like this to open the command prompt. So guys, to open the command prompt, I have a shortcut, Win key plus R, and here you just have to type TMD, then press enter. The command prompt will be opened like this. Number 11. Guys, how do I open the search? By going here in the taskbar and clicking on the search. Guys, now you don't have to do like this. I have a shortcut, Win key plus S. Number 12. Ease of access. So guys, first of all I will tell you what is ease of access. When we come in the settings, here you will see an option named ease of access. To open this using shortcut, you have to press Win key plus U. The ease of access will be opened. From here you can manage your settings. Number 13. Quick link menu. So guys, first of all I will tell you what is quick link menu. When you come on the start and right click on it, a menu will be opened. This menu is known as quick link menu. So to open this menu we have a shortcut, and the shortcut is Win key plus X. when we press. Number 14, open task view. So guys, in open task view, what happens that we can see all the tasks that we are doing in a single desktop. So to open it, we have to press Win key plus tab. After pressing them, we can see all the tasks that we are doing here, and we can also remove it from here like this. And to go back from here, you have to press again Win key plus tab. Number 15, game bar. So guys, if you regularly play game in your PC using game bar, so you can open the game bar using a small shortcut Win key plus G, and from here you can play the game, and you will be given some options here to take screenshot and to check the performance, and here you will be given some settings, personalization, capturing. Here you can change the theme, you can make it light or current window theme. Hey guys, how was these 15 shortcuts? Comment me in the comment box, and if you like these 15 shortcuts, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it right now and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos like this. I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, thank you for watching and goodbye.